What's up, my little riders? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every single time I upload a video. And that's also how you become an official low rider. You guys, today I'm making a dish. It's my first time making it, and I'm gonna just be winging it because I couldn't find the recipe online. So it's basically shrimp, lobster. No, I wish it was lobster. Shrimp, salmon, spinach, penne pasta, and Alfredo sauce. Mixing all that together, you guys. But right now, I'm peeling the shrimp, and I hate peeling the shrimp. And I thought it was clean, but when I turned it over, it wasn't. Okay, you guys, I'm peeling these because I'm making something with them, right? And this part was cleaned out, right? So then I saw in the back part that black stuff, and my friend said that's not shit. But if it's looking like shit to me, it's getting taken out. Take it out. She said, you taking half the shrimp away. I don't give a damn, I ain't eating shit. Oh yeah, that's why I have to stop the camera, and I'll probably stop it again until I get these done. It's nasty. All of them got the boop in it. I thought it was gonna be an easy peasy meal. I'm glad I didn't decide to cook them with the shell on them, because I wouldn't have saw that shit in them. She said, that's just the vein. I don't care. I don't even eat the vein part of the chicken. That black stuff right there. I'm basically cutting the tail off. I don't even give a dang on, because I ain't about to be doing all this. Because I'll be to cook some stuff and I ate it just thinking about this boot. You guys, when I tell you this shrimp and the salmon was seasoned to perfection, you guys. The original recipe called for homemade sauce, Alfredo sauce, but I wasn't about to do that. I used 2 jars of Prego Alfredo sauce. Added 2 bags of the frozen spinach, which was probably too much, but it still came out tasting good. You gotta hit that salmon with some Old Bay for sure to give it that oomph. Then it gave it that. And I used the total seasoning, and I believe some accent on that also. I fried the salmon in the same skillet that I fried the shrimp in. Use some of the flavorings from that shrimp. I also added 2 bags of the Parmesan cheese. You can never have too much cheese. Okay, you guys, I don't know the technical name of this meal, but it's penne pasta, Alfredo sauce, shrimp, salmon, and spinach. God, it's so good, you guys. It's so good. I took a shortcut. I did not make the sauce from scratch, but guess what? It's bomb. And my Stella Rosa Black right here. So yeah, that is it. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, thank you. And if you made it all the way to the end of the video and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? So with that being said, good night, and I'll see y'all in the next one.